Stop asking me about Singa. Singa lives in KZN. What really happened? I just explained what really happened. Yeah, priority. Thank you for the love, guys. You were not being... No, but I was not saying lalelani to them. I was literally holding my phone in my hands. And I was like, I mean, I sang to me the message, Ekai. Lalelani, you say lalelani. To them, to the people, Ekai, uti lalelani. Maybe I should stop speaking Zulu. Because I still remember this one time I was like to somebody, Ungenapi, man. And I didn't mean it in a rude way. I just meant, no, why guy? But yeah, clearly I must stop speaking Zulu because it's not my language. Are you still in Mzumbe? Guys, the show is not live. We shot in January. I'm not in Mzumbe. Meaning when I think we are when you're hungry. Okay, when I'm hungry, yes. I get it's reality. Why does he live there? Wait, he lives with his grandmother. You are now a girlfriend to a married man. You said cheeky chomi. Oyisawuvuka wena ibo ibhubezi. Webonga awungithinte lapha ungichazeleke manje. Nakero unojwetsa bo. No, I was not saying to them. Why did you refuse him to go? I didn't refuse. So this is what happened. I didn't refuse. They refused. And then they refused. They refused. And then I pleaded and pleaded and pleaded. But you guys must just watch the show, honestly. But next time put a lion filter. Sizulu good Gabuson, I guess. Uhlala nogogo. Are you on a solo date? Aibo, solo dating? No, I'm not. In that case, when you invited for a meeting, ensure you are hungry. So I don't think I'll ever have another meeting. Sorry. Your family did a good thing, but I disagree. No, they didn't do good. Only they know why. Okay, so my family's chat was that the same thing that we were fighting for, me and Singapore's dad, you know, because I mean they know everything. So their chat was, you're not done with school, you're not working. So that was their chat. That's why and my mother was like, I will observe you guys. Because I was hurt when they said no. But it's fine. Magic is so bad. Okay. I don't know, my network is bad, guys. You are always explaining my dear these days. Not that I'm explaining, they're asking me questions. And I'm just clarifying. So who is the matriarch now? How? Oh, can't you shut up when shut up when? Is it like baboni utsu yola? Side chick. I don't only side chick. I'm not a side chick. Oh. You were hurt, Josh. Yes, I was hurt when my family refused. I was very hurt. When wouldn't you be hurt? Thandana nomuntu bese ethi uzokushada and then kini bathi no. Athi cha. Wouldn't you be hurt? How? I was hurt. I'm sure it's not child's play. Really, your parents know better. Now you're a side chick to a married man. I'm not a side chick. I love Mama. She did well. I must finish school and have something to fall back on. But they allow you to stay in Mzumbe. Who said I stay in Mzumbe? Nithatha mina litha ke khanya gore ke nna ko Mzumbe. Tadane sada. But instead of him to double someone else to prove to me that he should have supported Singer the way he wanted. My babe, when you had a conversation with him about him condomising, really kept it take abazali. Kibancengile nje abazali. Bavume sekulate ke kodwa. You should have gone home. But big me like me never bavume. The time you also did they go to first request my but the guys, I don't know. I said la la la. I mean, I was saying it to my message a kai. That's la la la. I didn't say to them la la la. But it's fine. Side chick, yebo sim. Shoot, mina ngiyona side chick angazi mhlawumbe abanye bama side chick, mina ngiyona side chick. Angiyona side chick mina. Listening is very real for how did I treat her? Because I don't get this narrative. I honestly don't get it. I always ignore it, but I don't get it. I don't get it. Nani opinion. Men will leave you in a desert with no water. Bona utshwerekele nyora ebile. Eating without water, they live in a desert. Does Singer visit your family side since he stayed? Yes, he does. Are you back at school? Yes. Hello, ungamiti again. Kizomiti soba. Bauzomiti. Zomita kanjani? What if you meet already? What are you gonna do? The filter is fitting, right? Right, Mtembu? I remember your 7 beats. I was so late for my 7 beats. I already have a baby. I feel like we say like in what lobo I go around. We side chick in dirty lobo lady for. I can't side chick man. I just put on my WhatsApp status with a caption. Which narrative? What are you to him if not a side chick? Maybe your baby mama? Ifilter yami ihambile. Ihambe. Guys, my filter is gone. Oh, nice. Umjola awuna VIP umjola. That time emotions were high, guys. I was mad. It was a lot, but again, it's fine. They didn't want to put it on show because like I said, I can't watch home. Can you take ma? Nanga kushaba if pregnant. Hey, usipho usimele ngokuthi ngiyiside chick just uyigame. Well, if Netta has gone, it means you are prepared for a long life humiliation. I wish you well. What are you then if you're not a side chick? Ngi baby mama nje, kuma wengane. Kuma wengane nje. But the trailer did purchase where you got engaged. That's not important. Do you do gigs now? Block sleep, super busy. Akasekho nje usipho la. I remember you were alive and it seems you were sick. Yo, the question, what you wanna say, put it too much. Yo guys, I'm having grapefruit limonade. Grapefruit limonade. I think problem I don't know. Mara ke enjoy grapefruit these days. Ukaring if ke jala le mpumelelo. Nkare congratulations Kito. Can't nna ke mang. I even asked like who am I? Go jala le mang o tsang le mang ha ba nna. What's you speaking as Zulu for me? Regarding I should order another one. I'm either married or engaged to be married. But some people are about why are you not answering our questions? I can't have the questions I give on I can't turn off with the Arab because I can't turn off with the Arab. Do you ever hold longer conversation with him in Setswana with Zulu all the way? I won't get. I get there. No. I'm still busy. Thanks. The way ukhuluma isiZulu ngakhona uzofuna mina ngikhule eNatal. Shame, really. Should say I'm good. What another one? Ke alcohol. As alcohol, jomkina grapefruit. Why is it area ko magen bean? Grapefruit and guava. So good. On the X they said like we're not acting. That's a reality TV show. There's no acting. Whatever you see, it's a apart from being edited and cut. But it's real. The Virgin story from last year also. Who's this? I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you, my love. Let's see your outfit. Show me. I'm wearing a long olive green dress with my cropped white denim jacket. I like how you say Ibubes. And I didn't know how to say the word. And I asked Billionaires no Mahle, guys, how do I say this word? Is it Ibubesi? No, my Ibubes. They want the indabas, they want them fresh. Why nigqoka ngokufana nomlax? Should we have the same taste, we have the same style. Angazi. Sebakulobola yini cha? Ulayekile sis, amahlezi our next egg. Karma is good. I'm so happy Mpumela did this to you. Should happy birthday Ayanda. Should congratulations nawe. Your body is tea. Yo mukaba wako umukana kankana ko ewo. Botsa batho ba tlogela ntho tse tsa karma ga ona se seo. Ba re se teng ke they should believe that it is. You are not giving us what we want, girl. What do you want? Are you a celebrity? No, I'm not. I'm finally rejoicing. Rejoice when a girl the most expensive bottle with a party. Like, yeah. When I was in the photo shoot, he thought you had money. That's why he missed. Hi, okay guys, okay. Bye-bye.